5 cordless edge routers, 5 different strengths, and some pretty clear differences once you look beyond the basic specifications. Stay to the end, because the top 2 are especially close. Starting in 5th place is the Ryobi, and to be clear, that does not make it a bad router. It is simply the most value-focused option here, aimed more at home projects and occasional woodworking than demanding professional use. Its brushless motor, speed of up to 30,000 RPM, and micro-adjust depth control give you the basics you actually need for trimming edges, rounding corners, and smaller routing jobs. The LED light also helps when you're trying to follow an edge or see the bit clearly. But this is where the difference becomes noticeable. Compared with the Milwaukee, Makita, and the DeWALT, the Ryobi is not positioned as strongly for heavier workloads. Its professional accessory selection is also more limited, and the battery and charger are sold separately. If you already use Ryobi 18V 1+ tools, or you just want a cordless router for regular DIY work without moving into the premium end of the market, this one makes sense. But if you want something more refined for frequent woodworking, the next router is more interesting. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In 4th place is the Bosch Colt. This feels like a step toward a more professional setup, especially if control and a compact design matter more to you than simply chasing the strongest router on paper. You get a wide speed range from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, electronic speed control, an electronic brake, and dual LED lights. That combination gives you more flexibility when switching between different routing jobs. The precision depth adjustment also makes small changes easier when the cut needs to be consistent. The limitation is that it still sits behind the strongest models here in overall performance and ecosystem depth. Bosch has a capable 18V platform, but compared with Makita, Milwaukee, or DeWALT, the router accessory side is not quite as extensive. For someone who wants a compact, controlled, well-equipped router rather than maximum power, the Bosch is a solid choice. But the next model brings stronger performance and a very proven compact router design. And if this comparison is helping you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to the DeWALT, and this is where the competition gets much tighter. It combines strong performance with simple controls and a compact body that works well for everyday edge routing. The twist-style depth adjustment is one of the most useful features because it allows precise changes without making the router complicated to use. Dual LEDs improve invisibility around the bit, while electronic speed feedback helps keep the router running consistently under load. At 3.4 pounds without a battery, it is also relatively compact. The biggest compromise is speed range. Its maximum of 25,000 RPM is lower than the 30,000 RPM offered by Makita and Bosch and the 31,000 RPM of the Milwaukee. An edge guide is also not included, and as with the other bare tools here, you still need a battery and charger. If you already own DeWALT 20V max batteries and want a dependable router for regular woodworking, this is an easy model to consider. But if fine adjustment, accessory options, and a broad professional platform matter even more, the Makita moves slightly ahead. Second place goes to the Makita. For me, the important point here is balance. It combines a wide speed range, precise adjustment, useful electronic controls, and one of the more established cordless tool platforms in this group. The rack and pinion fine adjustment makes precise depth changes straightforward, while the quick release cam lock helps when you need larger adjustments. You also get dual LEDs, soft start, electronic speed control, and electronic brake. In practical use, those features make the router easier to manage when moving between delicate edge work and more demanding cuts. There are still a few compromises. The battery and charger are separate, the plunge base costs extra, and at 4.6 pounds with a 5 amp-hour battery, it is not the lightest possible setup. So if minimum weight is your priority, this is worth knowing. But if you already use Makita 18V LXT tools, or you want a router with strong adjustment control and a mature accessory system, this is one of the safest choices in the group. The only model that edges ahead is the Milwaukee. And in first place is the Milwaukee. What puts it at the top is not one single feature, but the combination of speed, adjustment control, motor performance, and a strong professional battery platform. Its 10,000 to 31,000 RPM range is the widest in this comparison, giving you plenty of control for different bit sizes and materials. The rack and pinion micro adjust system makes fine depth changes easy, while dual LEDs help keep the cutting area visible. Electronic speed control, soft start, and an electronic brake round out a very complete feature set. But there are still trade-offs. The battery and charger are sold separately, the standard tool does not include a plunge base, and it generally sits toward the premium side of this category, so you are paying for the stronger overall package. If you use a router frequently, want plenty of speed range, and prefer a tool built around a professional cordless platform, the Milwaukee is the strongest all-around choice in this group. Check the links in the description if you want to compare the top models and see the best current prices. And if this review helped you choose, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more product comparisons.